Let's dive right into this chair workout designed to strengthen your arms in just 10 minutes. And the best part? No equipment needed. Just grab a sturdy chair and let's get started. First up, we'll begin with some seated arm circles. Sit up straight, extend your arms out to the sides, and start making small circles. We'll do this for 30 seconds. Focus on keeping your core engaged and your shoulders relaxed. This is a great way to warm up those shoulder joints and get the blood flowing. Now, let's switch to forward circles for another 30 seconds. Remember to keep those arms straight and feel the burn as you work through the range of motion. You might start to feel a little heat in your shoulders, and that's exactly what we want. Next, we'll move into tricep dips. Scoot to the edge of your chair, place your hands beside your hips, and lower your body down towards the floor, then push back up. We'll do this for 45 seconds. Keep your elbows close to your body and focus on using your triceps to lift yourself back up. If you want to make it a bit more challenging, extend your legs out in front of you. Now, let's transition into some seated punches. Sit tall, engage your core, and start throwing punches in the air. Alternate arms for 1 minute. This not only works your arms, but also gets your heart rate up. Imagine you're in a boxing ring, and let's channel that energy. After the punches, we'll do some overhead arm raises. Sit back in your chair, lift your arms straight up overhead, and then bring them back down. We'll do this for 1 minute. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together as you lift your arms. This will help strengthen your shoulders and upper back. Next, we'll do a classic, the push-up, but we'll modify it using the chair. Place your hands on the seat, walk your feet back, and lower your chest towards the chair, then push back up. We'll do this for 45 seconds. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core. This is a fantastic way to work your chest and arms without needing to get on the floor. Now, let's switch gears with some lateral raises. Sit up straight, arms at your sides, and lift them out to the side until they're parallel to the ground. We'll do this for 1 minute. This move targets your deltoids, giving you that nice definition in your shoulders. We're almost there. Next, we'll do some seated bicep curls. Pretend you're holding weights and curl your arms up towards your shoulders. We'll do this for 1 minute. Even without weights, you'll feel the burn in your biceps. Focus on slow, controlled movements to maximize the effectiveness. Finally, let's finish strong with some arm stretches. Extend one arm across your body and hold it with the opposite arm for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This will help cool down those muscles we've just worked and improve flexibility. And there you have it, a quick, effective chair workout that strengthens your arms without any equipment. Remember, consistency is key, so try to fit this into your routine a few times a week. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the journey to stronger arms.